Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers. We are a local San Antonio professional home buying company. We buy houses in any kind of condition. Doesn't matter if there's back taxes or repairs that need to be done. We can close in as little as a couple of days. If today's Monday and you want to close on Friday, we can do that because we're closing with cash. There's no banks to worry about, and we are the end buyer. We're not gonna put your house under contract and try to sell it to an investor or anything like that. We are the end buyer, so we'll close on your house. We'll put a substantial amount of earnest money down, and it doesn't matter what's wrong with the property. So if you're looking to sell a house fast in Denver Heights or any surrounding areas in San Antonio, please give us a chance to earn your business. You can go to alamocashbuyers.com or give us a call, and we'd love a chance to help you out. One of the members of the team will get in touch with you, and we only need a few minutes in your house to take a look at it and put our numbers together and get you a fair cash offer very quickly. And unlike some of the other folks that might be out there trying to buy houses, we're the end buyer. We're gonna close on it. We're gonna close cash. And we've done dozens and dozens and dozens of these transactions in San Antonio since 2012. And we'd love an opportunity to work with you if you're looking to sell your home fast in Denver Heights or any surrounding areas in San Antonio. Take care.